this video, we're going to talk about topic 12.1, part 5. So let's go ahead and get started. The problems here focus on fluid maintenance. So I've written the chart out here from the textbook that for the first 10 kilograms of body weight, we would use 100 milliliters per kilogram. For the next 10 kilograms of body weight, we would use 50 milliliters per kilogram. And for each additional kilogram of body weight, we would use 20 milliliters per kilogram. The child is 12 kilograms. So for the first 10 kilograms, we would have 100 milliliters per kilogram, plus now there's an additional 2 kilograms times 50 milliliters per kilogram. This number could go up to 10, but it did not. So kilograms will cancel here. Kilograms will cancel here. 10 times 100 is 1,000. 2 times 50 is 100. These are both milliliters. And we should have 1,100 milliliters a day when we're done. Now we want the daily fluid maintenance for a child who weighs 22 pounds. Let's change pounds to kilograms. 22 pounds times 2.2 pounds per kilogram. If this is going to be 22 divided by 2.2 should be 10 kilograms. And so we're just in the first amount here of 10 kilograms times 100 milliliters per kilogram. It's going to be 10 times 100 is going to be 1,000 milliliters a day. Then we have a patient who weighs 26 kilograms. So we're going to have 10 kilograms times 100 milliliters per kilogram, plus the next 10 kilograms will be at, I believe it's 50, yes, milliliters per kilogram. And then that takes us to 20. And now for each additional one, which is 6 kilograms, there's going to be, I believe this is 20, yes, 20 milliliters per kilogram. It's going to give us 1,000 milliliters plus 500 milliliters plus 120 milliliters, 15, 16, 20 milliliters per day. Now the child weighs 66 pounds. We need to change 66 pounds into kilograms. 2.2 pounds per kilogram. 66 divided by 2.2 is 30 kilograms. So we're going to have 1,000, then another 500, that takes us to 20. Then another, so 1,000 plus 500, that gets us past the first 2 that are completely full. Then another 10 times 20 is 200. So 1,700 milliliters a day. And child who weighs 45 kilograms. So the first 10 will give us 1,000. The second 10 will give us 500. That gives us 25 times 20 is 1,000 plus 500 plus another 500 is 2,000 milliliters a day. And that's it for part 5. We'll come back next time and talk about part 6. See you for the next video.